man named Michael lived by the sea in a little town called Folkestone, just off the M20. His favorite drink was Merlot, and he loved a damsel fair with sparkling eyes and ruby lips and beautiful blonde hair. But a dragon had interned her in a tower dark and high, so brave Michael of Merlot rode off to heed her cry. He found the mighty dragon and bravely drew his sword, but the dragon's strength and fiery breath his noble deed it foiled. Taking stock of the situation, he stopped to roll a spliff, and the dragon stopped dead in his tracks once he caught a whiff. The dragon started laughing and rolled upon the ground, and Michael took advantage of the slice of luck he'd found. He drove his blade into the hilt, the dragon died right there, and Michael climbed the tower high and claimed his lady fair. We celebrate this day each year in St. George's name, but it was our own Sir Michael who should have had the fame. And that's how Puff the magic dragon met his grisly plight, and the brave Michael of Merlot became a fated knight. Now he sits at his computer with a frown upon his dial, so wish him a happy birthday and may